Okay, now we see the problems on Taylor series and Maclaurin series and Lorentz series. Expand log z by Taylor series about z is equal to 1. First we see what is the Taylor series about z is equal to a. The given function is f of z. We are going to expand this function. Let this function is f of z. F of z is log z. This is given function. Taylor series is about z is equal to a. This is the Taylor series about z is equal to a is this. F of z is equal to f of a plus f dash a and so on. Okay, about which point we are going to expand? 1. And in place of a you put 1. In place of a you put 1. Okay ma, a is equal to 1. Now we have, let f of z function. What is the Taylor series? F of a, f dash is there, f double dash is there, f triple dash and so on. Derivatives. We need derivatives of function. So what is function? F of z is log z. Then f dash z. We need derivatives. F dash, f double dash. So f dash z is log z derivative 1 by z. Then second derivative. F double dash z is minus 1 by z square. Next derivative, third derivative. F triple dash z is, this is minus 1 already undi. 1 by z square cheste minus 2 by z cube. So minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 avutundamma. Next derivative and so on. Ila teeskuntu vellali. But what is a point here? A is equal to 1. Substitute in this one. What you get? F of z is equal to f of 1, f dash 1, z minus 1, f double dash 1, f triple dash 1. So 1 ane point దగ్గర మనకి ఈ డెరివేటివ్ వాల్యూస్ కావాలి కాబట్టి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 1 as a point. F of 1 is log 1 0. Next f dash 1. F dash 1 is 1 by 1 which means 1. F double dash z is this. F double dash 1. Substitute 1 here at the point anamata is equal to 1. So z place lo point substitute cheyali. F double dash z is minus 1 by 1 square which is minus 1. Next f triple dash z is 2 by 1 cube which is f triple dash 1 is 2. Substitute all these values in this series, Taylor series. Put a is equal to 1. We get f of z means log z and f of a plus f dash. What is f dash here? F of a is f of 1. F of 1 is 0. First term is 0. Okay, leave it. Next z minus a into f dash a. What is z minus a? As it is z minus 1. F dash 1 is 1. Kabatti z minus 1 into 1 rasamu అని అర్థం. Next term z minus a whole square by 2 factorial means 2. So z minus 1 whole square into 1 by 2. What is f double dash a? F double dash 1 is 1. Kabatti 1 by 2 rasi z minus 1 whole square. Then what is f triple dash a? A means 1. F triple dash 1 is equal to 2. Substitute here. 2 by 3 factorial means 6. Kabatti 2 by 6 ante 1 by 3 migulutundi. 1 by 3. Then z minus 1 whole cube and so on. Okay ma? This is the required Taylor series. So this is Taylor series about the point 1. Z is equal to 1 means about the point 1. Let that point is a is equal to 1. This is Taylor series. We need derivatives. So first write the function. Then find the first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, fourth derivative and so on for the series. Then these derivatives at the point 1. Now substitute 1, the point 1 in place of z. You get these values. Substitute all these in 1. We get f of z Taylor series. F of z means log z substitution chesna. Okay. See the next problem. Obtain all Lorentz series of the function 7z minus 2 by z plus 1 into z minus 2 about z is equal to minus 1. ఇక్కడ about z is equal to minus 1 అని ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి అమ్మా. about z is equal to 1 అంటే z minus 1 పవర్స్ ఉంటాయి. about z is equal to minus 1 అంటే ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే z plus 1 పవర్స్లో ఉండాలి ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, see the function like this. Make it into partial fractions. For that purpose we take z plus 1 is equal to u. Now what is z? U minus 1. Z minus 2. This is z is equal to u minus 1. Z minus 2. రెండు వైపులు minus 2 పెడితే z minus 2 is u minus 3. Now this one can be written as, this f of z is this, can be written as 7 into z place lo u minus 1 substitution, minus 2 by next z plus 1 is u and z is equal to u minus 1, z minus 2 is u minus 3. Make it into partial fractions. This is a by u plus b by u minus 1 plus c by u minus 3. Finally we have this one is equal to this one. We are going to find ABC values. Now you see ma, now you see here it can be written as 7z minus 2 by z plus 1 z minus 2 is equal to a by u plus b by u minus 1 plus c by u minus 3. Let that is equation 1. Okay. And then this LHS is equal to RHS lo we cancel అయినట్లు. Then we have a is equal to u minus 1 u minus 3 plus b into u minus 3 u into u minus 3 and so on. Now put u is equal to 0 on both sides. What we get? You see ma, here you let this one in terms of u. This is equal to 7u minus 7 minus 2 means 7u minus 9 by these factors is equal to a by this. Now we rewrite this one. We get 7u minus 9 by u into u minus 1 u minus 3 is this one. Now after let this a by u plus b by u minus 1 and so on, you get the denominator is common. Let a into u minus 1 and so on. We get this equation. After cancel the denominators, then put u is equal to 0 on both sides. You get this is minus 9. Here it is minus 0 minus 1 0 minus 3. So it is minus 3a. 3a is equal to minus 9. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. We get a is equal to minus 3. Similarly, put u is equal to 1 on both sides. We get b is equal to 1. Put u is equal to 3 on both sides. You get c is equal to 2. Put u is equal to 3, you get c is equal to 2. Substitute all these values in 1. Now you get this one is equal to these values. Substitute in 1. Now substitute this value. This one is nothing but 7z minus 2 by z plus 2 is u lo undi answer. Now it can be written as minus 3 by u. This is 1 by u minus 1 means 1 minus u inverse 2 by 3 ఇంటూ అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 కామన్ తీసామమ్మ, మైనస్ 3 కామన్ తీసాం బయటికి, అప్పుడు 1 అవుతుంది మైనస్ 3 ప్లేస్లో. ఇది మైనస్ లేదు కాబట్టి మైనస్ u by 3 అవుతుంది. దీని పైకి తీసుకెళ్తే 1 మైనస్ u by 3 ఇన్వర్స్. నవ్ వీ గెట్ మైనస్ 3 by u. దిస్ 1 మైనస్ x ఇన్వర్స్లా ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 ప్లస్ u స్క్వేర్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ ప్లస్ u పవర్ 3. హియర్ ఆల్సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ 1 మైనస్ x ఇన్వర్స్. దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 1 plus u by 3. x ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ u by 3 ఉందమ్మా, మీరు గమనించండి. ఓకే, 1 minus u inverse. See this formula, 1 minus x inverse is 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. In place of x, you put u. So 1 plus u square plus u cube and so on. See this one ma. This is also in the form of 1 minus x inverse. But x ప్లేస్లో u by 3 ఉంది అనుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. Constant into 1 minus u by 3 inverse means 1 plus u by 3 plus u square by 9 and so on. Now this one is minus 3 by u minus, here you see this one minus 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 and minus 1 minus 2 by 3 means minus 5 by 3 minus here now in place of u put z plus 1. We take z is equal to u minus 1. Now in place of u, you put z plus 1. Minus 3 by z plus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Minus, next you substitute these u common factor. In place of u, you put z plus 1. Finally you get this series. Here z plus 1 denominator lo undi ante power minus 1. ఇవన్నీ పవర్ ప్లస్ 1 z plus 1కి, కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్ పవర్స్ పాజిటివ్ పవర్స్ రెండు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి this is Lorentz series. In Taylor series we have only positive powers అన్నమాట. ఇలా డినామినేటర్లో కూడా వచ్చింది అంటే that is Lorentz series expansion which we have asked in the problem.